Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing good. During this lecture we will find out what is fashion and what are some important fashion related terms like breadth, couture, high-end fashion, fashion collection, what is street fashion, what is style, trend, classics. We will also came to know about why do fashion changes over a time period and who influence fashion. In the beginning of the lecture, I want to realize about some facts. Like you have certain number of clothes in your closet. And on what basis you have bought these clothes? For yourself. Or who decided that blue jeans and t-shirts are cool? For teenagers. And to who influenced you to buy these types of clothes? The answer to all these questions are related to the world of fashion. Students, I want to remove your misconception related to the word fashion, that fashion is always associated with clothing. Yes, it is associated to clothing, but it is more than that. It can be any person's style of talking, or maybe its style of walking. Fashion is anything that is currently admired. It includes clothing and the things other than clothing also. There is nothing related to fashion which is constant, but the only thing which is constant is that it keeps on changing. Why fashion changes? Its answer is as simple as the fact that people also changes. This is due to many factors like boredom, which is a result of repetition. At times some ideas dominate the previous one. This change may be due to the promotion from some social groups, and sometimes some things are getting popular maybe due to some outstanding or dominating events in the society. Here, if we take the example of celebrities, you know that they always search for new things to take the attention of people and change their style very frequently to get noticed. People are also influenced by some celebrities, TV shows, films, musicians, or politicians, and they want to imitate their favorite celebrities. Fashion cycle is a series of steps which every fashion follows. It starts with introduction of anything. After an introduction, the fashion is going to be rise. After rising, a time came when it is very much liked by the people. This stage is its peak, and when you see it everywhere, its decline stage start. During decline stage, it is not liked by the people anymore. Then it become outdated and it vanished. You may heard the term that this is very old fashioned or it's outdated. What is old fashioned and outdated? According to the term, the fashion that is outdated and no longer in use. It is not much liked by the people or it may not be followed by the people anymore. Fads become outdated very quickly. Fads are the fashion which lived very short period of time. What are accessories? Accessories are the articles which are added to complete or enhance an outfit or to enhance the overall look of the wearer. Sometimes accessories are much needed to bloom the concept of designers. Some accessories are worn like jewelry and some accessories are carried like handbags. Belt, jewelry, shoes, handbags, watches, sunglasses, all these are accessories which are added to complete the look of the wearer. As we have discussed it earlier, that fashion that is popular for a very short time, it is called fad. When the hype is over, it drowned or declined. It can be clothing, hairstyle, hair color, accessories, or any pair of shoes. The best example of fad is hairstyle or hair colors which are popular after releasing some movie. And when the new movie hype is over, it vanishes quickly. Street fashion is considered to be emerged from streets. It has nothing to do with the studio, politicians, music, celebrities, or any fashion advertisement. It is associated with youth culture and it is popular for a limited area. Like by taking the example of our university, some dialogues are very popular among students. You enjoyed repeating them by putting them in your status, keeps on writing them on boards or on your tables, by ignoring the fact that teachers don't like it. I am sure we all are smiling and memorizing the university days. I am also recalling one of your dialogue during my class. Fair कहना बूटा गाला कटदा है, and I was keep on asking what is this. You make it fashion among your age group in your premises. Okay learners, let's come to the point again. We are discussing about fashion terms. The next is trend. You can easily remember trend with time. Trend is always popular for a specific time period, or this may be last till a season. Like 2 years back, short shirts are very popular and trendy for a summer season, and after summer it replaced by long shirts. Style or style statement. You may have heard the words that it's someone's style statement or it's my style statement. Personal style statements mean when you adopt the fashion according to your preferences. It reflects your personality, your identity, your beliefs, liking or dislikings. For example, it's my style statement that I don't like dull colors and short lengths, whether these are in fashion. I will adopt it according to my liking. Style is normally a deep personal expression of a person. It expresses who you are, your personality, your religion, and your culture. In other words, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. What is silhouette, silhouette line, or silhouette of a garment? Silhouette is the overall shape, contour, or body line of the garment. Silhouette is a base which decides the look of the garment. For example, the silhouette of the garment may be bell shape, balloon, it can be V shape, it can be sleek look, it can be tube shape, or maybe princess line. The word prêt or prêt-à-porter is a French word which means ready to wear garments. Prêt is also known as high quality factory made fashion articles. Prêt collection is always available for variety of customers and it is available in different standard sizes. While the Prêt may vary in price and quality, but each Prêt design is available in standard sizes and in variety of colors. As I have told you that Prêt collection are available in standard sizes, so it doesn't mean it is available to all individual on the earth. Means that it will not fit to all persons. Rather, it means that it simply fit the majority of the people. And when we compare the Prêt with Couture, Prêt is less expensive than Couture. Couture garments are almost 3-4 times higher in price than the Prêt. Breadth collection is the collection normally which you are offered for sale by different brands. And when you go for shopping, you select according to your size that it's available in small, medium, large sizes. For example, you want a specific kurta in yellow color in small size and you bought it, and your friend want same design in medium size in pink color or in any other color. It will be available for both of you, and your small size will fit you perfectly, but your friend's medium size may require some alteration, for example the sleeve length. So finally, breadth means the collection which is offered for sale by different brands in different sizes. Couture or haute couture is again a French term meaning fine sewing. It is the most fine form of dressmaking, having original concepts and expensive designs. High-end fashion is another term which is used for haute couture. These designs are limited or available not for everyone. These designs are unique and these are very expensive. Mostly sewing in haute couture is done by hand, including hand embroidery, beading, knitting, tilla work, ari work, resham ka kaam, etc. In high-end fashion industry, the designer creates the original designs for the specific individuals. These are very expensive with limited numbers. Couture has exclusive label of the designer. Like breadth, it is not available in sizes or in colors. Couture is not made on a standard size measurement. It is designed or stitched according to the measurement of a single person. It is high in quality, skill and material. Labor cost of couture is also very high. For example, bridal wear in Pakistan is some sort of couture collection. Like, it is highly expensive because of the labor of adda, ari work, resham, kora, dabka. Pure and expensive fabrics are used for designing. Designer take the individual order of the bride and it's designed according to the size of the bride, not on standard sizes. Only one difference is that in Pakistan bridal wear is also stitched by machine. But in some cases also the final stitching and finishing is also done by hand. The other example of couture is also the dresses which you have seen on ramp walk, which are offered by designers. These dresses are heavily worked. Designer is more concerned about the look and concept delivery to audience. Also, these are very expensive ones. Avant-garde is a French expression which means ahead of fashion. These dresses are not casual or not formal. These are bold, daring and unconventional dresses having unconventional material. Mostly these are not liked by the larger audience. These are theme-based garments which reflect the concepts of designers. These are designed just to draw the attention of the wearer. Avant-garde and experimental work on ramp is not very much popular in Pakistan, but it is very much popular in West fashion world. In avant-garde garment, experimental material is used by the designer. Sometimes no stitching is required, it is directly draped onto the model. Avant-garde do not necessarily mean that it can be worn on common gathering or these garments are practical. These garments normally follow a theme. and these are normally created for shows or costume design for theaters or movies. Or sometimes some celebrities prefer to wear such garments on social gathering to catch everybody's eye and attention. For example, a popular celebrity Lady Gaga is often seen with these type of garment to catch the attention of the audience. What are classics? What are forever green, always in fashion, or traditional? Classics are those which stay longer period of time in fashion and it keeps on repeating itself in different times. Normally, it is said that fashion repeats itself after 10 years. The best example of classics are the ajrak prints, block print, bell bottoms, all the gararas and shararas which your grandmothers used to wear their times. These are repeated again and again in fashion world in different forms. So these are called classics. Classics are always liked by majority of people. Chunri is another example of the classic. Sometimes it's popular as a dye style or sometimes in printed form. Last year during summer or again during this season, it is offered by Gul Ahmed in printed chunri, three-piece suits for ladies in lawn fabric. Chunri prints are forever green in fashion. With this we came to an end of the lecture. The mostly fashion terms are related to French world because France has been called the center of fashion and in West royals always dictated the fashion scene. Students, these are the terms which are related to the fashion world. You have to remember all in order to relate it with your products. You can ask questions if you like. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.